Want to dominate Walmart Marketplace? These 5 tips are your golden ticket to increase your sales. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access free Walmart training just for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. So first, we actually got an official email directly from somebody at Walmart themselves on how to increase our sales. And this was pretty much during the holiday season, and we can use a lot of this information in today's video because it's actually from somebody who works at Walmart to help sellers increase their sales. And one of those other things is we actually have a case study. You can check our case studies on our website, and one of our clients right now paid Walmart paid them $17,000 within one of their cycles on Walmart. So yes, it is doable. We know what we're doing, so let's dive in. So tip number 1 is to convert all of your items to Walmart Fulfilled Service, so WFS. You want to convert all of your items to WFS. Right now it says Seller Fulfilled. We do not want it to say this. We want to convert it to Walmart Fulfilled. So you can just click on this button, Fulfill with WFS. You're going to convert it, and then you're going to send all of your products into Walmart's fulfillment center, and then it's going to be Walmart Fulfilled. That is going to exponentially, instantly increase your sales and help you get to page number 1 very, very quickly. All the sellers should be doing it, right? It does help increase sales, and it's the number 1 way to increase all of your sales on Walmart and stop dealing with a lot of the BS if you're shipping it out yourself. Number 2 is to ensure you're winning the buy box, okay? So if you are Walmart Fulfilled, which is tip number 1, if you're Walmart Fulfilled, it's very easy to win the buy box. So if this person's selling it for $79 and they're not Walmart Fulfilled, we can just put it as $80, $81, and we'll still instantly win the buy box, right? So make sure you're winning the buy box. If not, at least match their price. If it's under your brand name, right? So you can put it under your brand name. So I could recreate this listing, and instead of putting it under Bandai, I could put it under one of my trademarks. Let's say our trademark is Zealous Nutrition. I put it under Zealous Nutrition and somebody sells under it. I could actually report them in brandportal.walmart.com and then get them all kicked off. So number 1 is to make sure you're winning the buy box. This is the buy box right here. You can see there's other people that aren't in the buy box right over here. So make sure you're offering the best price, or it's close enough where you're winning the buy box. Number 2, if that doesn't work, then you can recreate your own listing with your own brand name, and then if anybody sells under it, you can just report them as counterfeit. Now, again, not super ethical, but you can do it right now on Walmart. Might as well do it and win and dominate while you can. Number 3 is to make sure your title, bullet points, your description, make sure they're optimized, make sure they're decent, right? We can look at a listing right down here. This is a Uno listing right here. It's not optimized. Mattel DP Uno card game Barbie. This title sucks, right? The image, also look at the images, make sure your images are good and they're all zoomable, right? This is the basics. Add more images. Don't just have one image, have multiple images, okay? The bullet points aren't that bad, and the description is not that bad. It's really the title for this one just sucks. Make sure it's decent. Come on, guys. It's not that hard. Here's an example of one that is optimized. Uno card game for kids, adults, and family game night. Original Uno game of matching colors and numbers. They even have a video. If you are the brand owner, then you can upload a video to Walmart, and you can see their bullet points are pretty damn solid. It's just like too much information shoved in one area, but still pretty decent, and their description is good. So this is the basics, right? We're going through the basics. Number 4 is make sure you have at least 1 5-star review showing. Again, so you start a listing and it has no reviews. No bueno. You will still generate sales if you're on Walmart WFS. You optimize the listings, right? But to really start pushing sales, you need at least 1 5-star review. Now, what you can do to get a 5-star review is you can go to the Review Accelerator, and all you have to do is just go to your tab, Growth, Review Accelerator, enroll, and then you can give away items for free in return for reviews. But one of the easiest ways is to just get a friend to buy the product, wait 7 days, and then they can leave a 5-star review. Now again, unethical. You can't do this on Amazon. But you can do it on Walmart right now, and Walmart doesn't remove the reviews. Pretty much they all post. That's what's been happening. So you might as well use it while you can and get at least one 5-star review, because then people are going to instantly trust your listing and you're going to generate much more sales. So at least get one 5-star review and make sure your rating's pretty good. Make sure you at least have a 4-star rating. If you don't, it's time to get your friends. It's time to use the review accelerator. It's time to generate more positive reviews and make sure your product is actually good. Number 5, and a lot of people forget about this, is improving your listing quality score. Make sure your listing quality is up to terms with Walmart's listing quality score. So you're going to go to growth, listing quality, and then you're going to type in the SKU, and it's going to tell you your priority if your listing quality is good or not. We can look at this item right here. The listing quality is 81%. How do we get it closer to 100? How do we make sure all of our listing quality score is around 90%? This is also helping your performance. So if you want to become a top rated seller and then more people are going to trust you, make sure that all of your items have a listing quality score of at least 80% or higher. But you really want to look at all of your listings and see, okay, what can you do to make your listing quality score good, right? You can see where the listing quality, go to details and see what Walmart's saying about your listing quality. Why isn't it at 5 stars? So we can see, okay, this one, multi-pack, it's missing product line. This requires a submission. This is why it's 0%. So get that filled in, get that filled in, get this filled in. Number of games, it only includes 1, right? So make sure you go through this. This is, again, one of the last things you're going to go through, but this is going to help you get to the next level and generate more sales long term on Walmart. And then I have 2 bonus tips, and that's going to be SEM marketing, search engine marketing. It's like running Google ads. It's pretty darn good most of the time. I recommend you test it out. And then you have advertising as well. So you can test out both of those. Right now, if you go through all of my other tips, most of the time you don't even have to do advertising on Walmart and it still generates sales. So use this last after you fully optimize your listing is my recommendation, because you might not even need to run Walmart ads and lose extra money, because I don't want you to lose any money. So I'm just being honest, right? And then for making it towards the end of the video, if you did want free training, you just type in free Walmart seller training. And then they're going to have a free academy for you. And I really recommend, again, to go through every single one of these videos. It talks about WFS, performance, ad campaigns, everything Walmart. They did put a lot of effort into this, and I highly recommend that you go through it. But that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing your sales, optimizing your listings, converting to WFS, whatever it is for Walmart, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right down in the description for more. And our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. We'll come in, we'll look at your Walmart account, contact Walmart for you, optimize all your listings, and help you increase your sales long term, so you can just focus on being a boss in your business instead of working every single day on all the minute details. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.